Hi guys, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. आज के वीडियो में I am going to be talking about Latafa Musammam White perfume, and this is very latest in my collection, and this was not available in India for the longest time, but it was available at zendopiaperfumes.com, and almost immediately when I saw, I placed an order for this one because this is such a hyped product. Like everybody kept talking about Musammam White Intense, and to a point that this was out of stock for the longest time, almost 1 to 2 years this has been out of stock, which is so crazy. So I did want to wanted to know what this fragrance is all about, and what is the hype about. So immediately purchased it from centopiaperfumes.com. I do have a non-affiliated coupon code. If you're interested in purchasing from them, you'll get an additional 5% off on minimum order of 2000. The code is Shriya5 and I'll leave the details on the screen. Let's begin with the detailed review of Latafa's Musammam White Intense. Talk about the packaging. Now it comes in this box or case, which is like kind of like the case in which specs come, glares and specs come. And once you open, this is where the bottle is sitting inside, like this. I quite like the packaging because it has this kind of like snake pattern and has a faux leather feel to it. And you have all the product details, and this opens very fancy. Like, this packaging is very fancy. Fancy but not too much of wastage. That's what I like about this. And the bottle is sitting right here. It is very much inspired by snake, and has like a snake cap and has like snake skin made on the box. So don't like snakes, you obviously will hate it. But this is how the bottle looks like. Again, has like this snake wrapped around the whole cap, tail and head both here. The head literally, the eyes literally have like two stones here, and it's a heavy cap. And once you open it, this is how the cap looks like. Very creepy actually. I am not into snakes, okay? I do not like snakes. I hate snakes. So probably may keep this cap behind other perfumes so that I don't feel scary about it. There's nothing scary about this one. Of course, it's like a fancy one, but personally don't like snakes. so yeah, this is how the bottle is, and this is how the juice is. I do see some particles inside this perfume. I think you can also see there are some particles inside this perfume. See this? So don't know what Latafa is up to. I don't know if you can see this, but I can clearly see this, that there are some particles in this bottle. I don't know, but yeah, Musammam White Intense is written right here. The juice color is slightly yellow. So I have not used it on my white clothes, so not sure, but it is slightly yellow. Sprayer is nice. Just gonna show you how the sprayer is. It's nice, diffuses the product really well. Let's talk about the scent profile. Now, according to me, this is like a coconutty, woody, warm, spicy, floral fragrance. It opens up with some zing to it. Like it has like bergamot and orange in the opening, which adds that zing feel in the fragrance, has tartness to it. And then it has, spices, like warm spices in the opening. Like in the opening itself, you can get that hint of spicy blast, Then it goes into coconut, which adds to a lot of creaminess in this fragrance. I don't find the coconut to be coconut water. This is more like a coconut cream, coconut with the core, white core that you have, like, which is juicy and edible, that kind of a coconut. And that mixes up with some ylang, which is the yellow florals, and has some mahogany and some ambroxan. Coconut and the yellow flowers definitely add to a tropical touch in this perfume. And then in the base, it has woodiness and sandalwood that binds everything together. Sandalwood also adds into the creaminess of this fragrance, and then has some sweetness of benzoin and some muskiness and powderiness added by musk. That's what the notes breakdown is for Musammam White Intense. Now, this is kind of like a vacation mode fragrance, but it is so floral and delicate and does not have that fruity punch, which kind of does not make it like a tropical vacation fragrance in my. Like, this is not a Hawaiian rumba, this is not a beachside fragrance, it is a very sophisticated, a very elegant, mature women in a bottle. That's what this smells like. It does not have that immaturity to it, it does not have that tropical fruitiness to it. So this is like a very different kind of like a floral coconut creamy fragrance without being too sweet. You know, very balanced is what I'll say. Does not feel like a cocktail, mocktail or anything like that. Proper perfume, okay. Now I think sort of has a similarity or is kind of duping some fragrance from Seven Virtues. I'll put the details here on the screen. I don't remember which perfume that is, but this gained its own popularity. Like, there is a separate fan base for this particular fragrance. People love it, women love it. One of the most classy fragrances from Latafa is what I had heard, and after sniffing and after experiencing it, I think I do agree with that fact. Now, this is the kind of fragrance which goes really well with formal, semi-formal as well as special occasions. Like today I am really dressed for this video, not for this video, but yeah, I am overly dressed. I'm wearing a sari and lots of jewelry. Very Indian look going on here, and this perfume does really well with sari as well. So I was quite surprised. I was thinking I'll go with a oud based fragrance, but then I changed my mind and I used this one, and I'm smelling so good. Like, with this, with the sari attire, the whole thing just binded well together, and I was surprised because I didn't think that this will do well with this kind of an outfit, but it did. So I think this is a nice special occasion, Indian festivities, everyday, office wear, like universally all occasions is what I'll say. Talk about the longevity and the projection and all of those good things. So this one performs well. It gives me around 7 to 8 hours of longevity with around 7 to 10 sprays. Okay. Sometimes if I go crazy, I may overspray to 15 sprays and then I'm just sorted for the whole day. No reapplication, no refresh allowed. I mean, it's allowed, but I don't do it so that I don't choke people around me. So yeah, no refreshes are needed when I'm using around 15 sprays of this perfume. And has a good scent bubble, projects the whole day. You will get that floral wisp the whole day. And you know, the maturity of woodiness in this fragrance does kind of like just binds everything together, and you will get that woodiness wisp also when the perfume has completely settled down. So a very mature scent bubble around me, which is very classy, very sophisticated, very put together. This is the kind of fragrance that makes you feel like you have things sorted even when your whole life is crumpled. So kind of is delusional because yeah, it is kind of delusional, but that's the way it is. Like, it makes you feel that you are kind of like very well put together even on days when you're not. So that way it's a good kind of is a confidence booster for some, because I just feel that kind of gives you that oomph factor, even on days when you are not dressy, even on days where you feel that you're not, you know, looking good enough or you're self-doubting. On those days, if you apply a perfume like this, which has a strong personality to itself, kind of is a confidence booster. That way I love this fragrance because it just kind of, you know, it gives that confidence sometimes when you're lacking one. So love this one for that. Now this particular perfume is available in the price range of around 3000, which is my bottle from Scentopia, and this is finally available in India. Like, took so long, almost 2 years, for Latafa to bring this perfume back, especially in India. So I'm very happy to get my hands on it, and this is the kind of scent profile which only people who love coconut and flowers and the combination of that are going to love it. So I wouldn't call it like a safe blind buy. You really need to like coconut to appreciate this fragrance. So not a safe blind buy. But overall, love the scent profile. I am somebody who loves creamy florals. So creamy white florals is my thing, and this one compliments me a lot. So I think overall the rating on this one is a 10 out of 10. I'm really enjoying this one. I find this to be good in performance and a complete paisa vasool fragrance. So yeah, the rating is 10 out of 10. So that completes today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.